Welcome back, guys. In the previous session, we have seen a different sets of examples and assertions. In continuation with that, we have a couple more assertions that we have here in this particular assertions tab. So we have used a match contains, and of course we have used a match equal to. If it is both are equal, you are going to use it as a equal. If it is not equal, I can just make it as a not equal. And additionally, we have these matchings also. If you remember, guys, we discussed about a hash string. I have explained about a hash string. So the thing is, once after we get a JSON body, we are going to compare whether that JSON data type is a string or not, whether it is a number or not, whether it is a boolean, whether it is an object, array, not present, present, null, not null. These kinds of assertions also we can use it depending on our requirement. Okay, depending on your requirement, you can use either of all these assertions, followed by the other assertions that we have here are contains all, contains any, all these kinds of assertions also we can use it. So it depends on our customized, again, the project requirement itself, what are all the assertions we are going to use. See here, we have already seen that this is a match and match response, right? So additionally, what I'm doing means here match not equal to number. So we are just verifying whether it is a not equal to a number or not. So this time what we are doing means from the response of a particular zeroth array of a weather description, the data type of that description is not a number. That's what we are verifying. So this is having a unique tag name. Copy the unique tag name and update the tag name in a runner class and just run your test script. So whenever you are running, of course it is not a number, it's a string. Basically the assertion will pass and the script will execute successfully with a result as a success itself. Fine. Like this, any of these assertions, like I can say, not number, is a boolean, is an array, is an object, is a string, or is a not null, is a null, all these kinds of an assertions, we can use it on that particular response body. Okay, so here this time what are we doing means we are not verifying the text from that response. We are trying to verify the data type for that particular response. Okay, we are trying to verify the data type for that particular response. Okay, fine. We can implement the furthermore scenarios also. You can give it a try with all these examples and just try this scenario. Okay, cool.